pitch is a little tricky in this one. Not the most violin friendly for someone who's a beginner or just not used to this type of pitch. So I would recommend maybe playing a couple of scales in B flat minor, and then that hopefully will clear up some things in your ear and help you kind of intonate a little bit better, navigate your notes a little bit better. But yeah, this little variation, cute little variation, is not difficult, but it requires a certain way the thumb must be placed on the stick to make sure that both up bow staccato notes are identical, perfectly identical, and of course airborne. So you're trying to combine the two notes off string with two notes legato. So that combination, well, is not the most intuitive thing at first when you're starting to learn this variation. So takes a little while to kind of get a hang of it. So I would suggest practicing this slowly, like so, or just open string. You're supposed to stay in the middle of the bow as he writes, and of course do the best you can to stay in the middle of the bow. And of course, the second segment, that's where you move into the lower half of the bow. It doesn't mean go all the way to the frog, no, but try to be obviously lower than the middle. So pay attention here. This is important. Those little ornaments, a little tricky to do, especially get them right at the tempo he writes at 144. Not easy, but can be done. So something you might want to think about as you're practicing this. Make sure that the notes don't affect the rhythmical integrity of the variation. Otherwise, it goes really fast, pretty quick. Probably like 20, maybe 30 seconds if you play it at the right tempo. Really fast. Of course, the final time when you play in the final segment of this variation, he writes again, go back to the middle in pianissimo, so really soft sound. So try to observe the dynamics as much as you can. That will make this variation sound a little bit more interesting, a little more musical and contrasting. So that's always a good thing. But yeah, this little variation doesn't present a whole lot of challenges for an intermediate or an advanced player, but I would still recommend everybody look at it and see what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons I teach via Zoom or FaceTime. Thanks for watching.